trust myself, I believe in now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Emem back with another video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this curly look with a flexi rod set, and yeah, let's get right into the video. And so I started off with freshly moisturized hair. I conditioned and moisturized my hair before this video, and so I'm gonna be using the LottaBody setting lotion and just some flexi rods to make this style. So definitely I sectioned my hair into smaller parts, and so I bake that section with a comb, and then I keep the remaining section and just put that away. And so for that section, I take some of my setting lotion that I diluted in water because that's what the direction said at the back of the bottle, and so I put that over my hair and take my comb and comb out the ends of my hair to make sure that they are detangled and nicely detangled for the flexi rods. And so I take a flexi rod, and then I first wrap my ends around the rod. As you can see, I use some gel also to make sure that my ends stay on the rod, so I just use the Eco Styler gel, and then I roll it into my hair that way, as you can see, and then fold up the flexi rods in place. And yeah, that is what I do to get these curls. And so I repeat the same thing all over my hair. As you can see, I take some setting lotion and put into the section, rub it all over, and then use a comb to comb out my ends to make sure that it's detangled, and then grab a flexi rod and wrap my ends around the flexi rod first. Use some gel to gel my ends down onto the rods. And then I just roll the flexi rod up like that on my hair, and then I fold it up, and that is it. And so I just repeat this all over my hair, and I can just watch me do it a few more times.
Would you do anything for me, even though you wouldn't do it for a reason?
So in the front, what I actually do is I use some gel to gel down my edges in the front, just to make sure that it is nice and neat when I take out the flexi rods in the morning. And so that's just the additional thing that I do in the front, and then I just do exactly the same thing to the front hair. And so just to go through it one more time, I put some setting lotion on my hair, comb my ends out, and then wrap my ends on it first, put some gel to make sure that it's on it, and then roll it back and twist the rods up to make sure, especially in the front, you better twist it right so that you can sleep. And so I push it back so it's not in my face. And so that's what it looks like once I'm done. I have done the whole thing. Actually, what happened was that I ran out of the red ones, and so I had to take some of the red ones behind and replace it with the blue so I can use the red ones in the front. And so as you can see, to sleep, I hold down my hair with a scarf and then put on a bonnet, and yeah, and it's gonna be an uncomfortable night, but beauty is pain. And so I go to sleep, and now this is the next morning. You see me praying that it actually comes out right. And so I put some oil on my fingers for sure to reduce frizz, and then I start to take down my flexi rods, and as you can see, the curls just come out immediately. I take them down, and the curls my hair is shiny, and yeah, it looks very nice and shiny. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. So once I'm done taking all of them down, as you can see, my curls are out, my hair looks shiny, it looks really nice, as you can see. And so I put more oil on my hand and start to separate each curl one by one, making sure to separate them where they naturally want to separate. And so making sure not to cause frizz or make it look scattered and messed up. And so as I'm going, as you can see, the curls are coming out nicely, and I'm actually happy with how it looks right now. And so this is kind of what it looks all around, but I didn't exactly like how the curls were falling down on the sides of my face. And so I decided to pin the sides up, as you would see very soon. Oh, first actually, I use my hands to pick it out to make sure that it's fluffed out. So I fluff it out with my fingers because I don't have a pick. And so I fluff it out like that, and then I pin it up on the sides to form like a nice style that fits my face, because I felt like the curls on the sides weren't really looking that nice. And so yes, this is what the result looks like, guys. My hair is curled up. I like the front and how the curls fall down like bangs in the front, and this is what my hair looks like once I'm done. I just like style it different ways while I have it on for about a week. And so this is what the hair looks like. I hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys liked this tutorial. Try it out. Use the products that I used. They were really good for this. And yeah, guys, see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Peace and strength. Bye.